Hello and welcome to Crewe Volkswagen. My name's Lucy and today I'm going to take you around this approved used vehicle we've just got in stock. So this is a 1.5 130 brake horsepower 7-speed DSG Golf Match, finished in tungsten silver paint with the 16-inch two-tone woodstock alloy wheels and rear tinted glass from the B pillar backwards. I'm going to show you a couple of features on this car. I'm just going to start off in the boot just to showcase how large this boot is. As you can see there, plenty of room, and you've also got your space saver spare wheel underneath. And heading into the back of the car, as you can see, this vehicle is finished in the full cloth upholstery and also has the armrest in the middle there for any back passengers. Heading on into the driver's side, the vehicle comes with front and rear electric windows, electrically adjustable door mirrors, automatic headlights, and you've got your full leather multifunctional steering wheel with driver assistance functions here and infotainment functions here. And you can also change the display of your dashboard. So if you were travelling, then you could have the navigation system, for example. On the screen here, this vehicle comes with full DAB radio. Car has also got Discover navigation and App Connect, so you can connect your mobile phone whilst on the go. Got your climate control and DSG gearbox. Now if you'd like any more information on this vehicle, then please give us a call on 01270 50 70 50 and select option 1 for the sales team. Thank you for watching.